Imagine conquering the skies with ease, even if you've never flown before. Whether you're a complete beginner or just curious about the thrill of RC airplanes, this is your ultimate starting point. In this video, we'll introduce you to the best RC airplanes designed specifically for beginners. Planes that combine simplicity, durability, and just the right amount of fun. From easy-to-use controls to crash-resistant designs and even stunt capabilities at the push of a button. These planes make flying effortless and exciting for everyone. Get ready to discover the perfect options for first-time pilots and learn how to take off with confidence. Stick around because you're just moments away from finding your next favorite hobby. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1. Leambe 4-channel RC plane. Take your outdoor fun to soaring new heights with an RC airplane that's perfect for thrill seekers and beginners alike. Flying has never been this exciting or accessible. With its easy-to-use controls and innovative design, this RC plane offers an unforgettable experience for anyone looking to master the skies. Imagine effortlessly performing aerobatic stunts, enjoying long flights, and feeling the joy of piloting with precision, all in one fantastic package. Controlling this aircraft is a breeze. Just press the switch, pull the stick, and you're off. Whether you're on an open field or in your backyard, the plane is ready to launch after you assemble its sturdy wheels. Its portability means you can carry it anywhere, making it the perfect companion for outdoor adventures. Plus, with a robust thrust and power system, this plane can zip across the sky with ease, reaching distances of up to 656 feet. Flight time is never an issue, as each battery provides up to 15 minutes of non-stop fun. And this set comes with 2. That's double the time to enjoy smooth flights, jaw-dropping stunts, and the exhilarating speed that this aircraft delivers. Its high-quality construction, made from crash-resistant EPP foam, ensures durability, even when beginners are just getting the hang of flying. Whether you're a seasoned RC enthusiast or just starting, this plane guarantees endless excitement and discovery. Perfect as a gift or a new hobby, it's a gateway to hours of fun and adventure. Take the controls and experience the joy of flying today. Number 2. Holyfun Drone RC Airplane. Get ready to elevate playtime to a whole new level with an RC drone that's designed to delight kids, beginners, and hobbyists alike. Whether you're looking for an exciting gift or a new hobby for yourself, this drone is packed with features that make it a joy to fly and an unforgettable experience every time. With its impressive movement capabilities and user-friendly design, you'll find endless reasons to keep coming back for more. Built with durability and safety in mind, the drone's lightweight foam construction ensures it can handle bumps and crashes, while the enclosed propeller guard keeps both the drone and users safe. You'll have peace of mind while enjoying all the fun, knowing it's designed for reliability and safety. At just 10 inches, it's compact yet capable of delivering a thrilling flight experience. The fun truly begins in the air, where this drone shines with its ability to perform incredible stunts like circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation. It can also handle basic flight maneuvers like forward, backward, and side-to-side movements with ease, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned pilots. Add in the vibrant, colorful lights, and you've got an experience that's just as mesmerizing at night as it is during the day. Make every moment memorable with this drone that's built for fun, learning, and adventure. It's the perfect way to bring joy to kids and kids at heart, offering hours of entertainment with every flight. Number 3. Leambe 4-channel RC Airplane. Soar into the skies with a remote control plane that makes every flight an adventure. Whether you're a beginner finding your wings or an experienced pilot perfecting your stunts, this RC airplane offers an unbeatable combination of ease, fun, and cutting-edge features. Lightweight elastomer foam construction ensures stability and flexibility, allowing it to glide effortlessly through outdoor skies. Its durable yet light build makes it easy to control and perfect for hours of aerial excitement. Designed to grow with your skills, this plane features 3 modes: beginner, intermediate, and experienced, so you can learn at your own pace while mastering tricks and maneuvers. Upgraded features like a one-click takeoff function, motor and receiver repair ports, and signal interference warnings enhance the overall flying experience. The transparent hood adds a sleek touch to its design, making it as stylish as it is functional. With a wingspan of 15 inches and a fuselage length of 14 inches, this glider delivers impressive performance. Equipped with an 8mm coreless motor and a 3.7-volt 360 mAh battery, it can fly up to 12 minutes on a single charge with a control range of 656 feet. A low battery reminder ensures you're always prepared for smooth landings. The X-Pilot stabilization system adds to its charm, providing ultra-stable self-stabilization that makes it easy for anyone to control, even when attempting aerobatic maneuvers. Whether for yourself or as a gift for a budding pilot, this RC plane guarantees hours of thrilling outdoor fun. Number 4. Top Race RC Plane. Take your passion for flying to new heights with an RC airplane that combines advanced features, thrilling stunts, and user-friendly design. Perfect for adults and advanced kids, this aircraft delivers an unmatched experience in remote-controlled aviation. With its 20-inch wingspan and steerable tailwheel, you'll enjoy exceptional control, both in the air and on the ground. Equipped with a working throttle, rudder, elevator, and aileron, it provides a realistic and exhilarating flight every time. This plane is powered by a 10mm coreless motor and a 3.7-volt 360 mAh battery, offering ample power for smooth and stable flights. With 3 flying modes, easy, medium, and hard, you can customize your experience, making it perfect for pilots of all skill levels. Its lightweight EPP foam construction ensures excellent flight performance but requires careful handling for longevity. Whether it's a gift or a new hobby, this RC plane promises endless excitement. Fly it with care, and you'll have a durable, high-performing aircraft ready to conquer the skies. Number 5. Hawkswork 2-channel RC Airplane. Embark on your flying journey with a glider that's perfect for beginners and packed with features to make every flight thrilling and fun. This RC plane is designed with a built-in self-stabilization system, ensuring easy control even for those new to flying. With just a few hours of practice, you'll be gliding through the air like a pro, enjoying smooth flights and effortless maneuvers. Crafted from lightweight yet durable foam, this plane is built to withstand minor crashes, making it forgiving for first-time pilots. The 2.4 GHz radio control system allows seamless navigation in 4 directions: up, down, left, and right, and supports multiple planes flying simultaneously without interference, making it great for group activities. What sets this plane apart is the peace of mind it offers. Backed by a 1-year aircraft warranty and a 3-month battery warranty, you can fly with confidence. Plus, their exceptional customer support is always ready to help with any technical challenges you might encounter. Whether you're landing in the grass or perfecting your loops, the sturdy yet lightweight design ensures easy handling and durability.